and joining me now is the bell ringer. You saw him on the podium. Ron Gusek is the new CEO of Liberty Energy, a company listed here at the stock exchange with a market cap of several $billion. Ron, it's great to have you on the show, and congratulations on your new role.
Thank you so much. Great to be here with you this morning.
It's amazing. This company is relatively young. It's been around for just about 14 years or so, but it's seen a lot of success. What has been driving the company that you now step into as the Chief Executive Officer?
It has been a wonderful journey. Over 14 years, we've grown to be now the second largest provider in our space. From an investor standpoint now, a 23% cash return on capital invested over the history of the company. So very excited about the success. The credit goes to the people. We set out when we built this company, when we started it, to build a culture where the greatest people would want to come and stay and make a career of it. And when you do that and you bind them together with an amazing culture, they can do amazing things out in the field. And back that up with great technology and the things that support them, and wonderful things happen.
I want to talk more about that technology because certainly to be competitive these days, no matter what the specialty industry is, technology does really seem to be at the core of it. What is the innovation underway at Liberty Energy?
There have been a lot of tremendous things that have happened. Of course, we've had an amazing transition in the oil and gas industry, unlocking tight oil and gas. For Liberty, that's meant a lot of work on the equipment side of things, next generation fleet moving to 100% fueled by natural gas today, and then a lot of work on the software side to do that. Of course, AI is all the buzz these days, and we're taking advantage of that in our industry as well, moving to a place where a computer is predicting failure in equipment in advance, is actually operating the equipment, is driving our logistics platform. So lots of exciting innovations in that space going on.
Distributing power generation is so key, of course, to what we see here at the crux of your industry and your business. How is Liberty moving the needle forward in that regard?
You know, we started generating power to actually power our electric frac fleets and recognized we had some capabilities in there. And of course, you hear on the news today a real challenge around availability of electricity with the growth in data centers and electrification of our world. Of course, we need more power. And we recognized we had an opportunity to participate in that. So we've launched now Liberty Power Innovations, which will take the learnings, the capability, the skills we've developed in power generation inside our world and move those elsewhere to help support the grid, to help support other businesses as they grow their needs in that space as well.
Energy poverty is certainly a topic that I know your business is addressing. What more can you share on that front?
So last year, we launched the Bettering Human Lives Foundation. This morning, we issued a press release announcing the board of that foundation. We're very excited about that. The foundation is really focused around the idea of moving people from a world where they cook over a fire, wood, grass, dung, and moving them to a clean cooking stove, to LPG. More than a third of the world still cooks over a wood fire today. It's a huge opportunity, a massive need, and we're enabling entrepreneurs, starting in Kenya and Ghana, a path to grow their businesses and ensure that people can make that transition. Simply life-changing for them.
A new environment, of course, a new administration as well. How is your business operating under that change?
You know, of course, we have an administration now that is working hard to remove some of the impediments that have been challenges, I guess, restrictions to getting infrastructure built and things like that. LNG export being a big thing. That's our fastest growing export, fastest growing energy source in the world today. And so those things give us a path forward to invest in our business, to invest in technology, to work alongside our customers on the E&P side for the betterment and provision of energy around the world.
Just in about 20 seconds, Ron, that's all we have left. We were taking your exclusive remarks in the boardroom to our viewers earlier. What did it mean to address your company in that format?
This is such a wonderful place to be. I've had the privilege of being here a couple of times, but it's such a storied institution, so much history here, and to be able to share a little bit of that with our company across the board, just an awesome experience. Thrilled to be here.
Ron Gusek, congratulations to you, to your company. We'll certainly be covering it here in the days and weeks ahead. Ron is the new CEO of Liberty Energy.